When it came time for PC recording, I initially experienced more significant static issues. After a bit of diagnosing and isolating components, I discovered it was due to a ground loop interference with my PC itself, as when I swapped over to my laptop for testing and recording this voiceover, the static had completely gone. Now I'll need to spend some time later to rectify the ground loop issue with my PC, but I wanted to share this as a troubleshooting tip in case you experience something similar, as it's likely interference caused by your setup rather than the mixer itself. Additionally, the first thing I would recommend, while the supplied cables with the SC3 mixer are functional, I would suggest swapping over to a set of quality cables if possible, as doing so significantly reduces that type of white noise static you sometimes get, especially when connecting external line-in devices during my testing.